Can you talk about your daily routine in English?
Can you say what you do in the morning, at work, in the evening, and before sleeping?
Many English learners know the words.
But when they try to speak, they stop.
Today, we will help you speak about your daily routine in simple English.
Listen slowly
Repeat softly.
and practice with us.
Welcome to English Fix Daily.
Your cozy place to learn English through slow and natural conversations.
If you want more slow English conversations, subscribe to English Fix Daily.
And press the bell icon so you do not miss the next lesson.
Hi, Rohan.
Hi, Maya. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. Today's topic is very useful.
Yes. Daily routine.
Everyone has a daily routine,
And everyone can talk about it in English.
even beginners.
Yes. You do not need difficult words.
You only need simple sentences.
For example, I wake up at 7.
Or, I go to work by bus.
Or, I cook dinner in the evening.
Very useful sentences.
So let's begin with the morning routine.
Rohan, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
6:30? That is early.
Yes, but I like a slow morning.
What do you do first after waking up?
First, I check the time.
Do you check your phone messages?
Not immediately. I try not to check messages first.
That is a good habit.
What about you?
I drink a glass of water after waking up.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that,
I take a shower and get dressed.
do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Sometimes I eat toast, sometimes I eat fruit, and sometimes I just drink tea.
I also drink tea in the morning.
Tea is part of the routine for many people.
Yes. A morning without tea feels incomplete.
Now let's learn useful morning vocabulary.
Listen carefully.
Word 1, wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Word 2, brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth means to clean your teeth.
Example, I brush my teeth every morning.
Repeat. I brush my teeth every morning.
Word 3, get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on clothes.
Example, I get dressed after my shower.
Repeat. I get dressed after my shower.
Word 4, breakfast.
Breakfast means the first meal of the day.
Example, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Repeat. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Good job.
These are simple words, but they are very important.
Rohan, how do you go to work?
I usually take the bus.
Do you enjoy your commute?
Not always. Sometimes the bus is crowded.
Yes, commuting can be tiring.
But I use that time to listen to English.
That is smart.
Even 10 minutes of listening helps.
Small, daily practice creates big improvement.
Exactly. What about you, Maya?
I usually take the metro.
Is it fast?
Yes, it is faster than traffic.
What do you do during the commute?
I listen to podcasts or review my to-do list.
That is useful.
Yes, it helps me start my workday clearly.
What do you do when you reach work?
First, I check my emails.
Then,
Then I make a to-do list.
a to-do list is very helpful.
Yes, it helps me remember my tasks.
What do you do after that?
I attend meetings, reply to messages, and complete my work.
Do you speak English at work?
Sometimes, yes.
Many learners feel nervous about office English,
That is normal.
but you can use simple English.
Yes, simple English is enough.
Clear English is better than complicated English.
For example, you can say, I completed the report,
Or, can I ask one question?
or I need 5 more minutes.
These sentences are simple and useful.
Now, vocabulary break number 2.
These words are useful for work and travel.
Word 1, commute.
Commute means to travel to work or school.
Example, I commute by bus.
Repeat. I commute by bus.
Word 2, crowded.
Crowded means full of many people.
Example, The bus is crowded today.
Repeat. The bus is crowded today.
Word 3, to-do list.
A to-do list is a list of tasks you need to finish.
Example, I make a to-do list every morning.
Repeat. I make a to-do list every morning.
Word 4, meeting.
A meeting is a work discussion with other people.
Example, I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Repeat. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Excellent.
Try to use one of these words in the comments.
Rohan, what time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes I bring lunch from home.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I eat outside.
What do you do after lunch?
I go back to work. But honestly, I feel a little sleepy.
That happens to many people.
What about you?
I take a short walk after lunch.
That is a nice habit.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
Maybe I should try that.
Yes, try it tomorrow.
Okay. I will take a short walk after lunch. Maya, what do you do after work?
First, I come home and change my clothes.
Then?
I make tea and relax for a few minutes.
That sounds peaceful.
After that, I cook dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Mostly, yes, but sometimes I order food.
I also order food when I'm too tired.
That is normal.
What do you do after dinner?
I clean the kitchen, then I watch something light.
Like a movie?
Sometimes. But I also listen to English.
That is perfect for learners.
Yes. You can learn English while doing simple things.
Like walking, cooking, cleaning, or commuting.
Exactly. Let's learn some evening routine words.
Word 1. Relax.
Relax means to rest your body and mind.
Example. I relax after work.
Repeat. I relax after work.
Word 2. Cook dinner.
Cook dinner means to prepare food in the evening.
Example. I cook dinner at home.
Repeat. I cook dinner at home.
Word 3. Order food.
Order food means to ask a restaurant to send food to you.
Example. I order food when I am tired.
Repeat. I order food when I am tired.
Word 4. Clean the kitchen.
Clean the kitchen means to make the kitchen neat after cooking or eating.
Example. I clean the kitchen after dinner.
Repeat. I clean the kitchen after dinner. Rohan, are you a morning person?
Not really. I am more of an evening person
Why?
because I feel more active in the evening.
Interesting.
What about you?
I am a morning person.
So you like waking up early?
Yes, I feel peaceful in the morning.
I feel peaceful at night.
That is also good.
Everyone has a different routine,
Yes, there is no perfect routine for everyone,
but daily practice is important for everyone.
especially for English learners. Now let's check your listening.
Question 1.
What does Maya drink after waking up?
A. Coffee.
B. Water.
C. Juice.
Write your answer in the comments.
Question 2.
How does Rohan usually go to work?
A. By bus.
B. By bicycle.
C. By train.
Write your answer in the comments.
Even one short answer is good English practice.
Listening carefully is the first step to speaking better. Now let's learn useful sentence patterns.
Pattern 1. I usually.
Example, I usually wake up at 7.
Example. I usually take the bus.
Pattern 2, after that, I.
Example. After that, I brush my teeth.
Example, after that, I go to work.
Pattern 3. Sometimes I.
Example, sometimes I order food.
Example. Sometimes I feel sleepy after lunch.
Pattern 4, I try to.
Example. I try to sleep early.
Example, I try to practice English every day.
These patterns are very useful.
You can use them to talk about your own routine. Now let's review useful daily routine sentences.
Listen first.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I leave home at 8:30.
I commute by bus.
I check my emails.
I make a to-do list.
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
I take a short walk after lunch.
I come home in the evening.
I relax after work.
I cook dinner.
I go to bed at 11.
Now it is your turn.
This is shadowing practice.
We will say one sentence.
Then you repeat after us.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Ready?
Sentence 1. I wake up early in the morning.
Now repeat.
Sentence 2.
I drink water after waking up.
Now repeat.
Sentence 3.
I get ready for work.
Now repeat.
Sentence 4.
I listen to English while commuting.
Now repeat.
Sentence 5.
I take a short walk after lunch.
Now repeat.
Sentence 6.
I relax after work.
Now repeat.
Sentence 7.
I try to sleep early.
Now repeat.
Very good.
Repeat this section again if you want more practice.
Now try to speak about your own routine.
Use this simple structure.
First sentence, I wake up at.
For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Second sentence. After that.
For example, after that, I brush my teeth.
Third sentence. I usually.
For example, I usually go to work by bus.
Fourth sentence. In the evening, I.
For example, in the evening, I cook dinner.
Fifth sentence. Before sleeping, I.
For example, before sleeping, I listen to English.
Now pause the video and try to say 5 sentences.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
It only needs to begin.
Now tell us about you.
Are you a morning person or an evening person?
Write one sentence in English.
You can write, I am a morning person.
Or, I am an evening person.
You can also write one daily routine sentence.
For example, every morning I wake up and drink tea.
Or, I listen to English while commuting.
Write your answer in the comments.
When you comment in English, you are practicing English. If this conversation helped you, press the like button.
And subscribe to English Fix Daily.
Press the bell icon so you can watch the next slow English conversation as soon as it is released.
Remember,
Listen daily,
repeat daily,
speak slowly.
and keep improving.
You do not need perfect English.
You need daily practice.